So in this lesson, we are finally transiting to the practice. We are going to learn how to make conversations with ChatGPT. We learn what is prompting, and actually we will make our first conversations with ChatGPT. First, we'll talk what is a prompt actually. So it's just a question that we ask to ChatGPT, and how to compose prompts. Just a little bit of theory before we start, and the main advice here is just talk to ChatGPT the same way as with a human. So just make a normal conversation. And then there are some tips how to get better responses. Formulate clear questions. So should be clear, should be precise. The better question, the better response. If you have any keywords, then use keywords. Slang and acronyms. Well, ChatGPT may understand slang, it's very well trained, but in most cases it's just inappropriate. Acronyms, if you use any acronyms, just spell them out first, and then you can proceed with using them. ChatGPT will understand. Provide context. Simplify. What does mean simplify? For example, if you have a complex request, then just break it down into simpler requests and just step by step continue asking ChatGPT and get responses. Sometimes you need to clarify, so if you have some clarifying questions, then ask them. Of course, as we talked before, we need to stay within the bounds of the law and ethics, and also be calm and patient, because sometimes ChatGPT may think pretty long, sometimes it may, let's say, break for a while, so then you need to regenerate the prompt, so just be patient with that. It's just a machine. Alright, now let's go to a real practice. This is ChatGPT interface, so I'm currently in 3.5 version. Here you can change to 4 if you have already registered for 4. However, in our first lessons, 3.5 will be completely enough. So here you see some tips actually. Well, and let's start just asking questions. Let's start our first conversation. You'll see how exciting is it. For example, I want to ask ChatGPT how to start a small online business. So I type how to start a small online business, and let's see. Notice that I don't ask actually anything, any clarifying questions. So my request, you see network error. Don't be afraid, just regenerate. That happens pretty often, so don't be afraid of that. And now you see how fast actually is the response. And now we got a 12-point response. And of course, it's pretty long to go through it, but we can extract some key points from here. Since we didn't ask very clear question, then ChatGPT creates a broad response. So identify, yes, so what niche do you want, where is your business, market research, business plan, business model, register your business, online presence, e-commerce platform, and so on and so on. So of course we cannot do all these actions at once, and if let's say you already know your niche, then you can go to market research, right, and so on. For example, I am saying that my business will be in creating mobile apps, let's say, mobile applications. Alright, now you see, now it actually tweaks its response accordingly. And again, define your app niche. So you can experiment with this. You will have a homework and just ask ChatGPT different questions and don't be shy of asking questions. It's also good to mention that ChatGPT remembers all the context of the conversation. So for example, if you created this chat, you can keep talking with ChatGPT whenever you want. You can continue your conversation in a few hours, next day, next few days. ChatGPT will remember everything. And that's very convenient. And all of your conversations are located here on the left. So you can return to your conversations anytime you want. So basically that's it. You will have a pretty interesting homework. So just delve into your ChatGPT adventure and you will see how it's really exciting.